Welcome student in our biology class of 12th Science and Home Science stream. Myself Mrs. Anita Vijay Kulkarni from HPT Arts and RYK Science College Nasik. Today I will like to teach you chapter number 11, Enhancement of Food Production. In that subunits are 4, Role of Microbes in Industrial Production. This is our lecture number 2. Dear student, our today's topic is role of microbes in industrial production. In that, role of fermentation. We already know what is the fermentation. This is the term fermentation denotes the enzyme catalyzed energy yielding pathway in cells involving the anaerobic breakdown of molecules such as glucose. We already studied this definition for fermentation. Now what is this role of this fermentation process for the production? Here variety of products like alcoholic beverages, organic acid, vitamin, growth hormones, enzymes, antibiotics, etc. are produced during fermentation. So those products play a very important role in a human life. We need those products on industrial scale. Hence this procedure is very much important for the production of industrial product with the help of microbes. Now this reaction is carried out in a special vessel that is called fermenter. Fermenter production of those products on an industrial scale requires growing microbes in a very large vessels called fermenters. Fermenter provide control environment for the growth of microbes. Here it needs the control environment. Already I told you that this is the anaerobic process. So control environment is very much important for the more or large quantity of the microbe development. Here those fermenter procedures are dealing with those production that is production of alcoholic beverages, production of organic acid, production of vitamins, production of antibiotics, production of enzymes and gibberellin production. One by one we going through this for further study. In that, first or A, production of alcoholic beverages. Beverages are liquid drink. Those are liquid used for drinking. For example, tea, coffee, beer, wine, which act as a stimulant. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो तुम्हाला माहित आहे चहा कॉफी हे लिक्विड ड्रिंक्स आहे. Alcoholic beverages are the production of alcoholic fermentation. So with the help of alcoholic fermentation method, alcoholic beverages production is possible. Use of microbes in making alcoholic beverages is known since Vedic period 5000 to 7000 BC. So this is an ancient method for preparation of this alcoholic beverages from Vedic period. Microbes like yeast have been used for the production of wine, beer, whiskey, brandy or rum. Among these, wine and beer are produced without distillation and whiskey, brandy, rum are distilled beverages. So here the yeast is a type of microorganism which is used for the production of those alcoholic beverages. In that some are distilled and some are without distillation method. So those beverages produced with the help of fermentation. For this purpose, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly called as brewer's yeast, is used to produce ethanol. So ethanolचं production या या प्रकारच्या सॅक्रोमायसेट्स, सिरिबायसी या प्रकारच्या ईस्ट पासून होते, हे इथे तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या. हे जे बायनॉमियल नेम आहे हे तुम्हाला वन लाईन क्वेश्चनसाठी पण उपयुक्त असतात, त्याच्याकडे जरा कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करा. So here ethanol is produced with the help of fermentation process, and this special type of microbes is used for the purpose of ethanol production. And all this process is going on in a special type of fermenter. I already told you that this is a big vessel for the purpose of microbial production or control growth of microorganism. So tubular tower fermenter is used for the large scale production of alcohol. Look at the diagram. Tubular tower fermenter. ही diagram तुमच्या पुस्तकात पण आहे. This is a large vessel fermenter. It having the heat exchange pump, and this fermenter is used for the purpose of alcoholic beverage production with the help of fermentation process. Now there are some traditional popular drink in our India. Traditional popular drink of the coastal region in South India is made by fermenting sugar sap of palm plant and coconut palm. Those popular drink for this purpose they use the plant part, palm plant part and coconut palm for the purpose of obtaining the beverage with the help of fermentation process, and they also use the microorganism in tubular tower fermenter. Feni, a famous wine in Goa, is made by pedicel of cashew fruits. कॅश्यू फ्रूट्सचे पेडिसिल्स जे आहे त्यांना त्यांचं फर्मेंटेशन करून गोव्यामधली एक प्रसिद्ध वाईन आहे ज्याला फेणी म्हणतात ती तयार होते. अशा प्रकारे मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझमचा वापर करून अल्कोहोलिक बेवरेजेस म्हणजे अल्कोहोलिक पेय तयार केले जातात. सेकंड or B, production of organic acids. Some microbes are used for the commercial and industrial production of organic acid, for example ethanol. आपण इथेनॉलचं प्रोडक्शन मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम पासून करू शकतो. These compounds can be produced directly from glucose or formed as an end product from pyruvate or ethanol. So in this way ethanol is produced with the help of fermentation process directly from glucose. Citric acid also used in confectionery, fumaric acid in resins as a wetting agents, and glutamic acid in medicine for solubility of calcium dipositive ion. So what is confectionery? Confectionery is the art of making confectionery food items that are rich in sugar and carbohydrates. So here carbohydrate and sugar is the main product, main content of the confectionery food, and this food require citric acid. Hence citric acid is used for the production of those type of food. Now resins are the organic compound, and in that fumaric acid act as a wetting agent. Some plant also produce the resin for healing their wounds. So resin is also plant product. Fumaric acid is prepared with the help of fermentation process, and they are used for the wetting agent. Note this point. Now glutamic acid used in medicine, and hence this glutamic acid is essential, and we produce this glutamic acid with the help of fermentation process. They are useful for the solubility of calcium dipositive ion. Now in your book such type of tabular form chart is available. different microbes are used for the production of organic acid. They are as follows. So first column containing the name of organic acid, and second column microorganism used for production of such organic acid. This table is very much important for the exam point of view. टेबल कंप्लीट करा किंवा MCQ मध्ये वन लाईन आन्सरमध्ये याचा तुम्हाला खूप उपयोग होईल, म्हणून हा अभ्यास करून ठेवायचा आहे. सायट्रिक ॲसिड, ऑर्गॅनिक ॲसिड कुठं आहे? सायट्रिक ॲसिड. आणि हा कशापासून तयार होतो? ॲस्परजिलस नायगर. मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम ॲस्परजिलस नायगर इज यूज फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सायट्रिक ॲसिड. सेकंड ग्लुटॅमिक ॲसिड, it obtained from Aspergillus niger microorganism. Third is fumaric acid. Here Rhizopus aureus is used. Now acetic acid, त्याला vinegar पण म्हणतात. So Azotobacter aceti. So those microbes are used for the purpose of obtaining organic acid. So concentrate on this table also. Remember this table. Next is production of vitamins. Vitamins are some organic nitrogenous compounds which are capable performing many life sustaining function inside our body. Already you know about vitamin. Those are organic compound and they are very much essential for good health and proper function of our body. They have to be supplied in a small amount as they are not synthesized by human body except vitamin D. We cannot able to synthesize the vitamin in our body, hence we are taking it from the outside by means of the fruits, by means of the food, you know very well. So those vitamins are supplied with the help of those outside things in our body, and also they are used for the production of medicine. विटॅमिन डेफिशियन्सी असेल तर आपल्याला डॉक्टर सांगतात की हे विटॅमिनची कमी आहे, त्या विटॅमिनची कमी आहे, आणि तसंच आपल्याला औषध देतात. आपल्याला माहिती आहे. विटॅमिन डी जी आहे, एक्सेप्ट विटॅमिन डी, हे सूर्यकिरणांतून आपल्याला मिळत असतं, आणि बाकीचे कुठलेच विटॅमिन्स आपल्या शरीरात तयार होत नाही. आपण विटॅमिनसाठी बाहेरच्या सोर्सेसवरती म्हणजे अन्नपदार्थांवरती, औषधींवरती अवलंबून असतो. Some microbes are capable for synthesizing the vitamin, hence they are used in the commercial production of vitamins by using fermentation method. But here some microorganisms having capacity for preparation of for the production of vitamins, hence those microorganisms are very important for the production of vitamins. So here the fermentation method is essential or useful to obtain the vitamins with the help of this microbe in order to solve the problem of vitamin. Hence those microbes are used for the commercial production of vitamins. So which are the vitamins we prepare with the help of microbes? There are some example: thiamine, riboflavin, then pyridoxine, folic acid, pantothenic acid, biotin, vitamin B12, ascorbic acid, beta carotene, त्याला प्रोव्हिटॅमिन ए पण म्हणतात, and ergostrol. Ergostrol is also one vitamin. So those are some important name here for the vitamin. हे पण तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायला पाहिजे. Your book having such type of table for the vitamin. So here the different vitamin, and second column having the microbial sources for vitamin. Vitamin B2 obtained from the Neurospora. Obtained from the Neurospora gossypi. Remember student, those are the binomial name. Then here the vitamin 2 also obtained from erythromycin SBI. Erythromycin SBI. Then vitamin B12 from the Pseudomonas denitrificus. Pseudomonas denitrificus. Then vitamin C obtained from the Aspergillus niger. Go through this table, read properly those name of the microorganism as a source of vitamin, and this is a list from vitamin. The match the pair किंवा fill in the blank complete the table साठी हे प्रश्न येऊ शकतात आणि त्यासाठी हे हा टेबल तितकाच महत्त्वाचा आहे. Next is production of antibiotics. Antibiotics are the most important group of compound synthesized by industrial microorganisms. Mostly they are secondary metabolites which inhibits the growth of other microbial pathogen. Hence, they are used in medicine and have therapeutic importance. So, as they are secondary metabolites, they inhibit the growth of other pathogen. Hence, they use in the medicine. So, antibiotic production is that much important in order to obtain the medicine. So, their large number of production is essential. Hence, this method for the fermentation is useful for the production of antibiotics. They are used to treat deadly diseases such as plague, whooping cough, diphtheria and leprosy. जेव्हा अँटीबायोटिक्स नव्हते तेव्हा या रोगांनी अतिशय अनेक लोक मेले आणि आता अँटीबायोटिक्सचा शोध लागल्यामुळे या रोगापासून अगदी इझिली मुक्तता होते आणि पेशंट बरे होऊ शकतात आहे. सो डेडली डिसीजेस सच एज प्लेग आपल्याला माहिती आहे. त्यानंतर वुफिंग कफ ज्याला आपण डांग्या खोकला म्हणतो. देन डिप्थेरिया हे एक सिरियस इन्फेक्शन आहे नोज आणि थ्रोट. Diphtheria is a serious infection of nose and throat, and we can also treat it with the help of antibiotic. There is some vaccine for the as an antidote. Leprosy आपल्याला माहिती आहे कुष्ठरोग ज्याला महारोग पण म्हणतात. हा तो अतिशय भयंकर रोग आहे. हा सुद्धा अँटीबायोटिक्सनी बरा होऊ शकतो. they are antibacterial and antifungal. तर अँटीबॅक्टेरियल आणि अँटीफंगल सुद्धा अँटीबायोटिक्स आहे. अँटीबॅक्टेरियल म्हणजे बॅक्टेरियाला किल करणारे जे पॅथोजेनिक बॅक्टेरिया त्यांना किल करणारे, आणि अँटीफंगल म्हणजे जे काही फंगल इन्फेक्शन आहे ते फंगल इन्फेक्शनसुद्धा अँटीबायोटिक्स चे जे मेडिसिन्स आहे किंवा अँटीबायोटिक पासून तयार होणारे औषधी आहे ते फंगल इन्फेक्शन सुद्धा बरे करू शकतात. इथे तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये एक टेबल दिलेला आहे आणि हाच टेबल मी तिथला घेतलेला आहे. अँटीबायोटिक प्रोड्युसिंग मायक्रोब्स. सो हिअर द लिस्ट फॉर अँटीबायोटिक प्रोड्यूस म्हणजे हे अँटीबायोटिक्सची लिस्ट आहे आणि कोणत्या मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझमपासून ते अँटीबायोटिक तयार होतात हे तुम्ही अगदी व्यवस्थित वाचून घ्या. तर फॉर एक्झाम्पल क्लोरोमायसिटिन आहे, देन इरेथ्रोमायसिटिन आहे, पेनिसिलिन. सो यू गो थ्रू दिस टेबल, मग द टेबल, रिमेंबर इट प्रॉपरली अँड यूज द टेबल फॉर द exam point of view. Next is production of enzyme. We know that in living being enzyme play a key role in metabolic reaction and therefore those are essential for the survival of such beings. Enzymes are protein. They are biocatalyst. Due to their ability to promote the reaction more quickly at the body temperature and more effectively. In this way, they play a very important role to conduct all biomolecular reaction properly. Hence, they are essential for our body or for all living organism in order to survival. Many microbes synthesize and extract large quantity of enzymes in the surrounding medium. Hence, they are used in commercial production of enzyme. For example, amylase, cellulose, pectase, lipase, pectinase, streptokinase. So, microbes having capacity to produce large amount of enzyme. So, this property of microorganism is used for the purpose of obtaining the commercial production of enzymes because they are essential for us. Use of enzyme from microorganisms. So, there are some industry and those industry use the microorganism in order to production of enzyme. Very first is in textile industry to improve the quality of the fibers. Textile industry जिथे कपडा तयार होतो, फायबर्सची क्वालिटी चांगली होण्यासाठी एन्झाईमचा वापर होतो. सेकंड इन पेपर अँड पल्प इंडस्ट्री फॉर बायो मेकॅनिकल पल्पिंग अँड ब्लिचिंग. पेपरला ब्राईट करण्यासाठी, चमकदार करण्यासाठी पेपर आणि पल्प इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये पण विशिष्ट प्रकारचे एन्झाईम्स वापरतात. इन फूड इंडस्ट्री दे आर यूज फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फर्मेंटेड फूड, यू नो व्हेरी वेल, बेकरी प्रोडक्शन, bread preparation, etc. Some drinks also prepare with the help of enzyme production like wine and beer. Enzymes are also used in detergent industry. In detergent industry they are used and participate in extraction of some substance like lipase, olive oil and carotenoids. So in this way enzyme play very important role to obtain the good quality of product. Hence the microorganism used for the production of enzymes. They are also used in the cosmetic, सौंदर्य प्रसाधने तयार करण्यासाठी पण विशिष्ट प्रकारच्या एन्झाईमचा वापर होतो. ॲनिमल फीड, गुरांचा चारा तयार करण्यासाठी. अँड ॲग्रिकल्चर इंडस्ट्री, and in agriculture industry there is a great importance of enzyme for the production of different agriculture products. So in this way microbes are used for the production of enzyme. Here the same list, name of the enzymes, and here the microbial sources, the name of the enzymes and microbial sources. You go through this and read this table properly and remember all those binomial names of the microorganisms. Next is gibberellin production. Gibberellin is a growth hormone to promote the growth of stem elongation and produced by higher plant and fungi. We already know gibberellin is a growth hormone and which is responsible for elongation of stem in case of plant. So this growth hormone is important for the purpose of plant growth. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, तुम्ही ऑलरेडी स्टडी केलेला आहे. Two scientists from Japan, namely Yabuta and Sumuki, isolated the first gibberellin from rice seedling infected with fungus Gibberellia fusariae in 1938. These two scientists, they firstly invented the gibberellin from rice, and the rice is infected by this fungus Gibberellia fusariae. 1938 मध्ये जिबरलिनचा शोध लागला, हे इथे लक्षात घ्यायला पाहिजे. जिबरलिन हॅव मेनी प्रॅक्टिकल ॲप्लिकेशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इंड्यूस पार्थेनोकार्पी इन ॲपल. पार्थेनोकार्पिक फ्रूट, बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल इज ॲपल. आता पार्थेनोकार्पी मीन्स व्हॉट? सीडलेस फ्रूट. ज्या फ्रूटमध्ये बी नसते असे फ्रूट तयार करायचा, म्हणजे इडेबल पार्ट जास्त राहील, त्यासाठी जिबरलिनचा वापर होतो. ऑल्सो इन पियर, breaking the dormancy of seed. Gibberellin is also used for breaking the dormancy of the seed. Dormancy of seed means all the conditions are favorable for seed germination, but seed not showing any type of germination. That is called dormancy period of the seed. So this dormancy period break with the help of gibberellin type of hormone. Including flowering in long day plant, LDP. लॉंग डे प्लांटला मध्ये फ्लॉवरिंगसाठी या हार्मोनचा वापर होतो. अँड ऑल्सो टू इनलार्ज द साईज ऑफ ग्रेप फ्रूट्स. द्राक्षांचा आकार मोठा होण्यासाठी, म्हणजे त्याचा आकार मोठा झाला तर त्याला मार्केट व्हॅल्यू जास्त येईल, त्यासाठी जिबरलिन हार्मोन वापरले जातात. सो इन दिस वे फॉर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मेनी फूड प्रोडक्ट, मोस्टली द फ्रूट प्रोडक्शन, द जिबरलिन प्ले व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल ॲज इट इज अ व्हेरी इसेन्शियल growth hormone or very important growth hormone. We know that there are 15 different types of isolated gibberellin. 15 वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे जिबरलिन आयसोलेटेड केलेले आहेत. अशा प्रकारे आपण आज हे सगळे प्रोडक्शन बघितले आहेत. इन दिस वे वी हॅव स्टडीड पॉईंट रिलेटेड विथ द role of microbes in industrial production and their uses, their importance. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.